No, Mzala, we are not dating Snowmonde, and Tumonde's girlfriend as a Jolis Snowmonde, but we're to Miss boyfriend as Jolis Snowmonde. Like we are civil, we as Tandani guys.
Oh, so angeza endlini afika relax aku abambumntana like ichima grand.
We have created a YouTube channel for our kid. Our kid is very smart, and we don't want indaba zethu affect. We understand. Any fight we have, we must think about her first. So we are co-parenting very well, and unfortunately we had to separate during our very sensitive time of losing our son. So we have to somewhere think about words that we say to each other. So I don't like yeah, Mzala, let me be honest with you. Are you aware of something?
Serious?
Ngiyageza this weekend. Yeah. Ngiyageza this weekend kujimpandle.
Ngakhona ukuthi ngizogeza.
Hayi nyoba ngqono uzongiphatha.
Hayi angithi phela
Enye into Mzala ngeke. Anyeke abangibamba manje uyongidla straight anyeke kanjani? Ngimvumela because ngomile nje vele. So anyeke ngilokuyalena ngithi I can't do this. I can't do ngizolala. Ngizoyenza lento le. Ngilambile. Awu so nyenze ukuthanda.
Uyozenzani muqeda Mzala? Usayizwile.
Nginglamzala ngilambile like ngilambekile ncancathekile. So ayengibona ngiyenza lena le.
Mzala uyafasta?
A lot. Ambongo ndenjani?
Okay, mawufasta Mzala like I've
Sani Bonani, welcome back to my channel, your channel, our channel, your channels, everybody's channel. So today we're speaking about Gogo Skhotheni Jobu Zumzileke. Now she was speaking with Uphiwe, the TikToker, they friends. Uphiwe is the same guy, Olwano Dominic, Olwano Ebo nje wasuka ngayi inkinga kwazokugcina ngenuma wena ugcina mawene ebushiwe. Anyway, so before so they were having a chat with Uphiwe yesterday, and Gogo Skhotheni confirmed, or she said she is now finally single. She says she's single. She says it's been on and off. She says she went back and forth, but no husband wakhe sebehlukene. But okay, she went as far as speaking the first ukuthi kade sanda kwenza ucansi bemphendula ngapha nangapha yena futhi uSkhotheni usethi hayi uzilile nganake yo le ntombazane iyaxaka angifuni uqamba amanga. Honestly I think she's not fully okay kind. Khona bathi I was lying here when I'm saying ukuthi uSkhotheni she's the one oqale indaba eshikhuluma ngokuthi uma indoda kamaweni izalisile. I'm going to post a video on the Nether story where she's confirming now ukuthi uma wena indoda kamaweni iningane, but asikho ke lapha. So ke uSkhotheni uthi uyi single woman, but uqhakayo kadelwa noGogo Mercedes the day before. We'll check the screenshots here. uGogo Mercedes uDM indoda kama okay ngizothini manje zothi ex ke phela ngobuthi abasayini husband and wife, and they were married, remember that. Hence she uses a shange, Gogo Dlamini shange. So uSkhotheni says akasathona indoda yakhe kodwa yena uyahamba kazi la ntombazane iyahlanya. Even right now she is under the comments of this lady to Gogo Skhotheni uthe hamba yophupha amaphupha. Guys mina lento ezango ngiyangixaka. Ugirl ufike wasend message wasendela ubani uMondi. Remember uma ugogo lo Skhotheni uke wamhosta benza i podcast wasendela i-ex husband kaGogo Skhotheni wathi kuyona ngikuphuphe senza ucansi abantu abadala bafuna silwenze. Indoda kaSkhotheni yathi awushentshweni name place and time I'm in. Wayithola imessage uSkhotheni wahlala waqonda intombazane, but into ayitholakele a week ago. But yena futhi just yesterday she was live, she's saying sebehlukene. nomonde. So if uhlukene, and today she went and commented kugogo Mercedes emtshela ukuthi into yahlanya uSkhotheni. I'm not gonna lie, I think she's not okay upstairs since nje athi waye actor lapha yakule reality show yakhe ethu namadoda awu2. I don't think she ever became fine whatever, but ke she said she is single, but then futhi kade khuluma the way yena ephakamisa ngakhona emlenze uma ngabe sekufanele yabo kwenza into zabantu abadala esho ukuthi yena wenza into ekuthiwa squatting yabo lokuchama ubheke. I really feel sorry for girl. And 2, she is spending so much time on TikTok, it's not even funny. I don't think she's still a sangoma because there's no way she still practices being a sangoma the way lo muntu uthiwa isikhathi sokuthi jakazile nje ahlolela abantu ngoba phela mengeke eclubini uhleli TikTok, menga DJ uhleli TikTok. Yeah, maybe she's going through a lot. Maybe she is single. And 2, she is back enginakeni ugogo Maweni ngendlela ongakaze uyinake, like she's acting like a child. Ukhuluma indaba zamaweni up and down, udlala ngomaweni, she's making fun of Maweni on TikTok. I think nje kuyoba lunye mina usuku uMaweni athi yazini girl, tired.